Hey, Swiss investor, I want to bring you an update for end of July. Today is the 27th of July, and we are almost reaching our goal of 100K in our portfolio. This will end, or not this video, but the next video will probably end the series. This is a short update. And you can see market is running, at least in US. In Europe it's closed by now. It's 1742 Swiss time. And as you can see, we have now 82,673,000 Swiss francs. From my last video in mid-July, what we decided to do is redistribute our portfolio. We had some money in bonds, or not really bonds, but fixed income, and we decided to move it to the portfolio and invest in a diversified portfolio through the Giro. Also, my wife had the separate portfolio that she liquidated and is also moving here. So this will help us to achieve our goal of 1K portfolio in the Giro much quicker. If you follow this series, probably you can see it did not even take 1 year and we are already there. Next goal is 250K. Let's see when we will reach that. But the plan, for me at least, is to reach that somewhere next year, if conditions continue to be good. As you can see, what I did now with this money inflow was I reduce leverage. Let's go there. I no longer have a negative position in euros. I only have a negative position in dollars, and a negative position in NOKs, Norwegian crowns, and Swedish crowns. I also paid back, meaning I deleveraged. It is also because this month the Giro informed the users that they are no longer going to support money market funds in Norwegian crowns, Danish crowns, and Swedish crowns because of lack of interest from users. Seems that I am one of the few users that use those negative positions or these money market funds in crowns, and they are discontinuing it. The thing is, I was using that because the rate of interest on the board money was much lower than in Swiss francs. Basically, in Norwegian crowns and Swedish crowns and Danish crowns, I would be paid 1.55%, and in Swiss franc, I would pay 3%, which makes absolutely no sense. The point in euros is I just reduced leverage and I placed some orders and will rebuild the negative position in euros, which now by the Giro not money market fund, but it's a bank account. Now only US dollars will be a fund share, but the euro position will be a negative position in the bank account. As I understand, the conditions are going to be still the same. So interests in euros are very good. It's much better to have negative position in euro than in Swiss francs. So I reset, deleveraged, and then placed an order to acquire more of what I already have. At least I would double my position. Backup Forest, which is my best performing position, as you can see, 30%. This is because I did not buy into it. At least also I did not expand this position. It was just my first order that I placed. So it looks much better. And now I'll be double down on those positions. It will probably half my my return because my purchase price will increase, of course, now. But those are good companies. I still believe on them. Tomorrow, Alice will release the performance for first half of the year. I expect it to be a bit bad or low because lockdowns are not really over. France is still struggling. Alice makes most of its revenue in France, and probably the stock can go down, which I'm betting, and I hope that my position will go in tomorrow. I don't know how much it will go down, but I'm satisfied with 14.9 euro per share and should go in. So with that, I will start to rebuild the euro negative position, the euro leverage. Then I put the position for the ETF, which has to fall a lot, 97.9. You can see now it's 100. It's about 3%. Today went 1.16 low. Let's see what this week will bring. Tomorrow there is a Fed meeting or Fed meeting disclosure. In any case, Jerome Powell will say some things and this may affect the market. This week the news is China cracking down on some foreign listed companies. This is bringing the market a bit down. Last week was Corona Delta variant. I mentioned that also in my previous video, but in any case, let's hope it goes down. I buy it again, just like I did mid of July with my monthly ETF purchase. I'm also going to add Coca-Cola because it is a good company. Although I'm a little bit health oriented, I do some fitness and blah blah blah, I still buy the products. Mainly Coca-Cola also owns a diversified portfolio. It's not only Coca-Cola, but also some juice company like, what is it? Well, anyway, it doesn't matter. They have a very nice diversified portfolio. It's a great company, and they seem to be a little bit low, still not pre-pandemic levels, which is a good opportunity to buy into it. And once the market is back up, things will go great again. That will be also the case for Anheuser-Busch. I will probably expand on that position also later on next month. You can see they're still very low, but they are a great company. They have a big portfolio and they will certainly be a long-term good investment. So I'll stick to them, build up my position probably next month with the rest of the money that it's still coming. This is my position of where I'm going to expand now, and you can see from the activities that's the deposit I made 20,000. So let's see. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will update you then probably next month with reaching the 100k goal. Take care and see you.